Hello, so today we're going to be looking at image tracing, expanding that image and then editing it a bit. So we're working on Illustrator today, so you need to open up a new file, so create new. Then I'm going to be using print A4, but it doesn't really matter the size of your document for this, just make sure it's big enough. So click create. So this is what you should see. You now need to select an image that you want to use. A photograph is best for this. So I'm going to use this one and I'm just going to drag it on like so. And then going to reposition it by dragging it into the middle. I'm going to zoom in on the image a bit so I can see it better using Command+. And then just adjusting it with my touchpad or mouse would work as well. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to select the image and it should have a blue line around the outside. I'm then going to go up to image trace, but I'm not going to click the image trace button. I'm going to click the Tracing Presents drop down menu. And here you just see lots and lots of different options. They all have different effects. For this, I'm just going to use 3 colours, which is quite a simple one. It basically just picks out 3 of the base colours of the image and uses those. So click that. That just takes a few seconds to work and to develop the image. And if I click off, that's already a really nice image. So it's just quite bland, quite basic. Looks more like a photograph. So now I'm going to select the image again by clicking it and then go up to the expand button up here. And that basically breaks it down into sections, so you can see the blue highlights all the different elements. However, if I click off and on again, you can see it's all still selected. So now I'm going to either right click or double click, depending if you're on Mac, and go down to ungroup. Now you can't see the difference here, but if you click off and click back on, you can see it picks out individual sections rather than all the big sections. So now that I've done that, I'm going to select one area I want to enhance more. So I've selected kind of the front of some of the houses. I'm going to go across the fill and just pick a colour, like so, click off. And you can see it's just filled a certain area, a certain kind of block. You know, that would work the same for just one window, for example. If I wanted to make that blue, like so. You can also delete sections, so if I click the sky, just click the back button, that just deletes. So there we have like a really nice image, very easy to completely transform a photograph into something that looks painted. So yeah, I hope that was useful.